In this video I'm going to show you the eGo T Mega B. You guys have probably all seen the eGo T Type A. Well, they came out with the Type B, which has a 1.8 milliliter tank on it, nearly 2 milliliters of fluid. When the Type B came out, the fluid capacity was just so much greater. I knew that that would be a the Addy of choice for me. And this is just horribly convenient. It does have its downsides, but I'm going to kind of walk you through how this works. You get a cart condom so you can fill it and then seal it. And when you take it out of the wrapper, there's a cap on the top here. You gotta pry the cap off. Try not to use your fingernails because you will break a nail and it does hurt. Oh, I broke a nail. Then you just drip down into there. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top, but close to the top. Leave some room to put the cap back on. Then you put the cap back on, and there's a plastic ring in the center. That plastic ring is going to be punctured by a needle down inside the Addy here. So when you first, make sure the cap's on there real good, when you first put an eGo tank into the eGo Addy, you're really going to have to force this sucker down. You can see this little shiny ring right here. This cartridge isn't in all the way. You want it up to where it gets dull, that ring right there. So keep pressing, keep pressing. Oh my god, oh, there it is. Okay, we got it, we're in. Yeah, anyway, basically that's it. You can keep an eye. These are semi-clear, so you can keep an eye on your fluid levels. One of these should last you about half a day. I vape about 4 mil a day, so yeah, one of these lasts me about half a day. The thing I don't like about these Addies is it does take a couple primer draws to get good vapor out of it, meaning you're going to want to take a few initial puffs off of it with the button down to kind of draw the fluid into the wick before it really produces good vapor. So by the third or fourth puff on the thing, you should be getting a really good cloud of vapor. The other thing that I don't like about these Addies, and I'm not sure why this is, but I noticed this on the eGo T Type A's as well, is for some reason they do kill flavors. And not entirely, but the flavor is kind of muted in an eGo T, which is unfortunate, and I'm hoping that they'll resolve that down the road. But basically that's an eGo T, and with any of our single battery pipes, you put the eGo T on and it will function and look fantastic. Thanks for watching.